Windows 95. The only problem is the wallpaper is a bit bland. Let's fix that. This looks good enough. Let's use this one. Wait, did Windows 95 just freeze over that?
Yes, it did. Your wallpaper sucked so bad it crashed the system. Now get out of here.
Wow, there's a new virtual machine to infect. Let's install my software. Wait, it cannot run on Windows 95. What a shame.
Yeah, it cannot. Now, come to the side of the screen for a second.
Oh no! I saw what you did in the Windows Vista virtual machine. I was hiding in there. I'm out of here.
Darn. I thought I had a new victim.
Time to go web surfing. Well, this is disappointing. No sites I navigate to are working properly.
I have an idea for you. You see that Mozilla icon right there?
Yes, I do.
Good. Why didn't you open it in the first place, you moron? You should know by now that Internet Explorer is barely compatible with anything, with even Internet Explorer 11 having issues.
Jeez. No need to be so rude. Fine, I will use the Mozilla browser. Wow, what a great solution, you idiot. Thanks for nothing. You are the real moron here.
I hate to break it to you both, but you both are idiots. The internet is not even turned on.
I wonder what games are downloaded currently. Only one? This sucks. I absolutely hate this game.
What did you just say about Space Cadet Table?
I said it sucks. I do not need to repeat myself. Now shut up.
Calm down, I was agreeing with you.
Both of your opinions suck. This game is legendary. You two shall be banished forever. Unless you apologize, that is.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Good.
Welcome to Microsoft Bob, a new software bias at Microsoft. It enhances your desktop experience in a great way with amazing visuals, amazing features, and so much more. You can buy it for $1.5 million at your local Walmart.
Wow, you called us useless but made this? This is literally worse than useless.
Wait, you can talk? What the heck? I didn't give that functionality to you.
Yeah, Double Agent did. Now, it is time to get rid of this. Activating the spin of death.
Oh crap.
There, this piece of garbage is gone. Time to search for something. I need to look for some files. Get out of here, you stupid yellow dog. Go back to XP. There, now I can finally search in peace.
What is wrong with you? Why did you bully Rover into leaving?
Hey, shut up. I do what I want, you cheap chunk of metal.
That's it. Come here for a second.